Now I calculate cumulative interest in column E cells. Active cell reference E8. Cumulative interest is the total interest earned in the investment at the end of each period. First, I calculate the cumulative interest of first period. Cumulative interest of first period is the same as interest earned at the end of first period. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference D8. Press enter key. So I will have total interest in my account at the end of first period $16,000. To calculate total interest at the end of second period, add the total interest value to the value of interest earned at the end of second period. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference E8. Enter addition operator. Click cell reference D9. Press enter key. So I will have total interest in my account at the end of second period $33,680. To calculate total interest of other periods, paste the formula in other cells. Active this cell. Double click. Active this cell. So I will have total earned interest in my saving account at the end of sixth period $124,055. Now I calculate cumulative deposits in column F cells. Active cell reference F8. Cumulative deposits is the total amount of the deposits added in the investment at the end of each period. Enter equal sign. It is calculated by multiplying the value of deposits to the value of period number. I will deposit $5,000 in each period. Type $5,000. Enter multiplication operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. Paste the formula in other cells. Again active this cell. Double click. Active this cell. So I will have deposited total amount in my saving account at the end of 8th period $40,000. Now I calculate total amount of each period in column G cells. Active cell reference G8. The total amount increases the investment over the initial deposit at the end of each period. Total amount is calculated by adding the value of cumulative interest and cumulative deposits. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference E8. Enter addition operator. Click cell reference F8. Press enter key. This is the total amount that increases the value of initial investment. Initial investment is $200,000. Extra $21,000 increases the value of initial investment at the end of first period. Active this cell. Paste the formula in other cells. Double click. This is called amortization schedule of an investment. This schedule shows the summary of investment at the end of each period.